Want to shorten your jeans and keep the original factory hem? Let me show you a professional method that looks just like the original. First, let's get the measurement right. With the right shoes, 1/2 inch above the floor gives you the perfect length. Let's get started. As you can see, I've marked both legs evenly all the way around with the same measurement. Make the chalk line more visible. We'll follow these chalk lines for the new measurement. Before we continue, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Now, let's move to the sewing machine. Select the closest matching thread color for the jeans. The top stitch should blend into the fabric and be barely visible. Use the same matching thread in both the top thread and the bobbin. Let's start sewing. I folded the original hem upward, following the chalk line I marked earlier. I started stitching at the inseam and sewed all the way around, keeping my stitching as close as possible to the original jeans top stitch. I matched both seams so they lined up perfectly. The first stitch is complete. As you can see, the original hem and top stitch look just like the factory finish. Here, I tacked the sides together. Those tacks hold the extra fabric inside in place. Now it's time to add the top stitch. Stitch as close as possible to the original top stitch. This stitch will also secure the folded fabric inside. I left the extra fabric inside. Since it's only 2 inches, there's no need to trim it. If it's more than 2 inches, trim it and overlock the edge. Repeat the same process on the other leg. The sewing is complete. Now it's time for pressing. As you can see, the original factory hem is preserved with a clean, professional finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more professional sewing and alteration tutorials. Next, watch my reverse cuff tutorial to learn another professional hemming technique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.